If you want to get a lot of traffic to your website, one of the most important things is that your website is fast, because if it's not fast, it's going to negatively affect your SEO, your search engine optimization, and Google will see, this website's slow. People will go on your website. They'll likely click off if it's slow. If it takes long to load, they will click off, and then Google will list your website further down the search results. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your website, and I'm going to show you the most simple thing that you can do to get quick results fast. On my Shopify website, I noticed that my speed score has gone down recently. So it used to be around 65, and it could be one thing that's causing this problem. So if I click here, you can see it was 76, dropped to 63, 62, and 60, 59 now. So this is likely because someone has been working on the website and they haven't optimized something properly. I can see here the score is mainly because one product page or multiple are causing this problem. So this product page here is the slowest product page out of all the other product pages. In a couple of days or tomorrow, this recommendation will actually change. So if I click here, it's going to open Page Speed Insights by Google. This is Google Lighthouse, and it's going to do a quick analysis of the page, but I can see that it's using this link here. So I'm going to just open this link in another tab. So this is the product page. It's slow. It's got same description as most other products. It's likely the images are at fault, but we'll see. Yeah, so 59 performance out of 100 is very slow. You can take a look at these things here. So it says, look, the image is not properly sized. It's saying that it's being lazy loaded. These things are very technical. I'm not going to go into these things in this video, but what I am going to do is, you can see the speed test, right? Now let's speed it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just download these images, go into my downloads, and I'm going to put them in a folder quickly. Like that. Right, and now if I just select all of these and click get info, this one is 44 kilobytes. This one here is 230 kilobytes. So I'm not too bothered about this one. They all are 1000 by 1000 dimensions, so that's slightly a problem. Now there is a quick way that you can do this. You can go to a website called tinypng.com. I will put a link in the description so that you can check it out if you want to. And you can go to Finder and then drop them in. And what it's going to do is it's instantly going to reduce the file size. So this one becomes 130 kilobytes, 209 kilobytes becomes 118, 44 becomes 25, and so on. You can easily just click download for each individual one or download all here, but that's not good enough. We want to have more control over how big our files are. We want to make sure that we're optimizing our website properly. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Photoshop. Here I've got 500 width, 500 height. So automatically that's going to reduce the file size. And our website actually shows the images in 500 by 500 anyway. 1000 by 1000, it's actually shrinking them to the right size. But what we're going to do is we're going to drop them in like this, and one by one, I'm just going to hide all the other ones here, and I'm going to export, save for web, and I'm going to reduce this quality size to 50, and we can see straight away this file size is going to be 22 kilobytes. So if I just save this quickly, overhead hand pan with beaters, and actually look, you can see here the title was not optimized, so that is actually negatively going to affect our SEO as well. So we'll delete that now, and in this one going to do the same thing, give it a name that is optimizing it. It's 19 kilobytes. We can actually increase the quality a little bit if we want to for this one, because it's only going to make it look a little bit nicer and it's not really going to affect the file size. Around 24 kilobytes is fine. Handpan in case with beaters. This one, 70 kilobytes. So I'm actually going to reduce this again. It doesn't seem to make too much difference. Let's go 40 quality. Handpan professional photography with beaters. And then the last one, we're just going to go handpan Jerry bag case. These are the after images. So we'll go handpan after, and we'll drag those in there. And let's open these up. So get info, you can see that is so much smaller, 51 kilobytes, 26 kilobytes, 47, and 24. Nice. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to go onto this product page. So I'm going to click edit product here. And we do want to add this alt text back, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to just delete these images. Oh wow, that one was 2000 by 2000. So it's called untitled design. That's no good for SEO. We're going to go into handpan after, pop these pictures in back in the same order. So we could, go in and fill out this alt text, and I will do that later on, but not right now. And so this is the product page. The images don't look much different in terms of quality. I don't actually think we'd be able to notice any difference. Let's have a look. Before, after, before, after. No, there's no difference. Now we're going to copy this URL, open PageSpeed Insights in a new tab, paste, analyze, and hopefully it's faster than what it was before. So it's before 89 and after is 90. Cool, that's better. It's not much better. I thought it'd be much better than that, but it's not much better. If we look at some of the data, so we got 0.1 second faster because of the image. Even that 0.1 second increase in speed, if you applied that rule to every web page on your website, that will make a huge difference in terms of traffic. Us, for example, we are currently getting 49,383 visitors per month on our website. And part of that is because of new blog posts, new videos and things like that we're making, but it's also because of that speed optimization. And so if you don't want to do this work yourself, because it is quite time intensive, you can hire us to do that for you. So we offer a photo optimization package that covers 100 photos. So we will optimize 100 photos for you, and you can see the difference in size. So this image was 1.6 megabyte. And afterwards it was 79 kilobytes. That's just through that process that I showed you. And of course you can do it yourself if you want to. If you want to save your time and focus on other areas of your business that you're really good at, it might be worth hiring us to do that for you. Or maybe you'd be interested in a homepage optimization package, which covers everything on your homepage. So we'll take care of the optimizing and we'll make it faster. And if we can't make it faster, we will give you your money back. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. And if you did, you will really like this video on screen now.